चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Yes, stay with us, Kishle. We have more related news break that is coming in. We understand Bengal governor has ordered on-duty personnel of Kolkata police to immediately vacate Raj Bhavan premises. No Kolkata police personnel should be inside Raj Bhavan premises. So this is a diktat by the Bengal governor. He's ordered on-duty personnel of Kolkata police to immediately vacate Raj Bhavan. And with this, he's even said that the police can stay outside the main gate as part of their jurisdiction duty. Let's go across to Kishle, who continues to be with us. Kishle, give us more details of this diktat by the Bengal governor saying that on-duty personnel have to vacate Raj Bhavan premises on immediate basis.
Well, Samiksha, previously the governor had ordered the Kolkata police personnel to leave the second floor of the Raj Bhavan where the peace room was. Now the governor and the governor house has written a letter to the Home Department of West Bengal stating that there should be no Kolkata police personnel inside Raj Bhavan, anywhere inside Raj Bhavan. Rather, probably the whole security arrangement inside Raj Bhavan would be given to the central forces, especially the CRPF. However, the Kolkata police can have their jurisdiction outside the Raj Bhavan premises, outside the gates, outside the walls. But inside the walls, inside the gates of Raj Bhavan, Kolkata police personnel will be removed. They have to vacate the whole area. That is what we are getting to know, and the letter has already been received by the Home Department of West Bengal. So the process, when this whole process starts, we have to see, but the Raj Bhavan has already ordered the removal of Kolkata police personnel from inside the Raj Bhavan area, from inside the campus of Raj Bhavan. Yesterday night, the letter was given to the Home Department, and already today the process will begin. That's what we are getting to know from our sources, Samiksha.
Yes, Kishle, stay with us. A little too early, but anything you're learning as to any reaction that's coming from the TMC? How have they received this diktat by the governor?
Well, Samiksha, the letter has been given yesterday late at night. Today morning, the process has started, but we did not get any reaction as of yet what exactly the TMC thinks. We will be updating our viewers with that, but what we are getting to know is that this has come, previously the governor already had ordered removal of Kolkata police from certain areas of Raj Bhavan, and now the removal of Kolkata police from all areas inside Raj Bhavan and replacing them with CRPF will not go well with the TMC-led government in West Bengal. That's what we are getting to know from our sources, and we have to see what happens next.
Requesting you, Kishle, to stay with us just to tell our viewers also who are tuning in. This is an order by the Bengal governor who said that on-duty personnel will not be inside the premises of the Raj Bhavan. They've been asked to remain outside. And as Kishle is telling us, statement or reaction from the TMC is awaited. Kishle, for the viewers who are tuning in, once again explain to us how is this order likely to be received by the TMC, one, and also explain to us the circumstances surrounding this order that's been passed by Bengal governor.